Hello, good morning. Today is December 22nd. I'm currently leaving Lily's house and going back to my house. Today, Joey and I, well, I need to go home and I need to shower because I'm crusty. We had our Friendsmas last night. I vlogged that all, but we had Friendsmas. And now I feel crusty. So we're gonna go home, we're gonna take a shower. And then Joey and I are gonna do some Christmas shopping. We're gonna get some lunch. I'm revving my engine. And then we're bell ringing for Salvation Army tonight. And then I have a couple of things I need to do here and there. Those are the events of the day. It's gonna be an eventful day of packed today, but we got this. So let's go home. We're home. Ah, puppies? Nope, get back. Puppies. Is Joey neglecting you? Joey! That's new. That decoration is new. Joey!
Pick up my phone, I shouldn't check again. But here I go, jealous of all my friends. They've got it figured out, I don't.
Oakley is squirrel hunting. Yeah. She's been here squirrel hunting for a while I've been getting ready. I got my money for Dad's gift. This is a gift card my mom got because I have to go to Sierra, it's like an outdoor store, and find something nice for him. So we're gonna go do that. Joey and I are also gonna go to lunch at Lucas Pizza. We're gonna get going. It's like 11 something. That squirrel is real close. Look at it. He got one, Okie. Oh boy.
The breakdown that are.
We got my dad's gift. I didn't film in there because there's a sign that says no filming. It says no media allowed. So, you know, and they have lots of guns in there, so I just really wasn't gonna mess with them. He's a bit scary. He was nice, but he's intimidating.
Sealed carry zone. So
yeah.
you'd expect them to have guns.
Well, did you, by the trunk, did you see like that room that was by the trunk? There were like two guys sitting there. I'm sure they play lots of poker in there. That's got that feeling. It's like a poker room.
Getting all in my head, so much to do. I can't count the endless hours I've spent. I'm failure prone. Time's always been here.
Lucas is the best girlfriend ever.
So I let me down. I'm fulfilling expectations, wishing I could be complacent. But I'm freaking hard. Count for hours, years I've wasted. Thought I'd be happy now.
I do indeed think that this place is my heaven. Just saying. Don't get distracted. We're gonna do a quick little haul. We finished shopping for our Padre. Number one. Where did I put the receipt?
Right
there.
Probably in the bag.
Okay. I just want to make sure I don't lose it in case somebody doesn't fit, and I have to remember how much Mom owes me. She owes me $15 now. We got him this thingy majiggy wiggy. Ooh. Ah. Mm. And then, drum roll please. Thank you. We got this thingy. I can't open it. It's a little quarter zip, a little Reebok one. And we searched, oh, it's fuzzy on the inside.
Not fuzzy enough. I don't approve of it.
Well, he's not one for like super fuzzy things. Anyways, we got this. We did have to search very hard for this in an extra large, but Joey found it. Now we have one more stop. It's a surprise stop.
Surprise stop?
Yeah.
For me?
Kind of.
What is a surprise stop?
You don't get to know until we get there.
I think I know what it is.
What is it?
We're going to the mall.
Yeah.
No.
Too bad.
Please, no.
We're having Holly Jolly Cheer.
I don't want to go to the mall.
We're going to the mall. We're gonna make your mother
I'm staying
happy.
in the car then.
Huh?
I'm gonna stay in the car then.
No, you're not. I brought you to Luca's. I brought you to the military store. We're having a fun day, and you will not poop on the parade. We're having a good time. sibling bonding time. So
Can't even say that
deal with
anymore.
it.
From now on, our troubles will be miles away.
It's time to go. The mall parking lot is one stressful situation I do not particularly enjoy. That was a journey. We're gonna see Santa, but he doesn't know that. Doesn't this just bring back memories, Joey? Is that cute? Joey's loving his life right now. We have to show Mom these as a surprise. She's gonna love them. We got our photos. Oh, there's a line. Come on. I'll show in the car, but now we're gonna get our pretzels. I don't like pretzels, but I'm gonna show you our pictures before we go home. Ah, look at us. You can't see it. You dropped it! There's two, so if you want one, you can have one. Do you want one?
Save it for Madra.
Okay. I mean, you can have a mini one. So, I ended up trying to take a nap. But it's 4:58 now. And we're going to go bell ringing.
Day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
You get clean. You can still in your bathroom, even when there's not music. Stop it.
No more.
No dying the bell.
I mean, technically it is.
Technically, it's not.
Every store with the prettiest sight you see is a holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that chooses a wish of our
Happy now, happy now, happy now, happy now. Happy now, happy now, happy now. Closing my eyes, try to deny I'm here. How is my life? Everything I fear, running this maze with no way out. No, has it all been a lie? Am I deluding myself? Put it all on the line or put it all on the shelf. Tell everyone I'm fine when I really need.
So I crashed and I burned. It was going well, everything was staying together, and then all of a sudden, she collapsed. Give up. It is currently 10:21, and I need to get to bed because I have an early morning and a long day. Tomorrow I have a senior session in the morning, and then I'm photographing a wedding in the afternoon. I'm nervous for, but also very excited for. So I have to get up, get ready, go to the wedding, do stuff like that. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one, which is a Christmas Eve vlog. I can't believe it's already Christmas Eve soon. Like, gone so fast. This season always goes so fast. It makes me so sad. I love Christmas, but it's okay. I'm so excited for Christmas. Goodbye.